So hi, today I'm going to do an Asian Paints 45-seconder film. This film features Deepika Padukone.
Asian Paints Royale Glitz.
So if you can see, I have already recorded the voiceovers and sent this, and I had also recorded the character part. The voiceover has already been approved in one go, so out of these 6 takes, one of these takes has been used. The take is already on the film, but we have a CTA, call to action. The script I have in front of me right now. So here's my line, here is the film. We have the 20-second edit right here. So let's have a listen to it and then I will do a take. NCT has right now been recorded by somebody else, so we're going to just replace that with my voice and then the job will be complete, hopefully. Here's the film.
Hi! Come on, guys. रुक क्यों गए, guys?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz.
To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up your decor. It's worth it.
So if you can hear it, I think this is an AI voiceover.
04805 decor. Give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up.
I think this is an AI voiceover because it just has a monotony, a very staccato kind of vibe to it, right?
Decor. Give a missed call to 80. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
The number gives it away. You know, he said, the AI probably said the line correctly, but the numbers were very robotic. Alright, so let's go for a take.
To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up your decor. It's worth it.
I want to make it a little more understated, right? So when you want to dub like the second part and you want to match it to the first part, a good idea, a good way of doing it is, आप वो पहले वाली लाइन भी बोलते हुए आओ और फिर नई लाइन जो यू जस्ट कंटिन्यू इनटू इट सो देन यू विल बी एबल टू मैच योर टोन क्योंकि जब आप फर्स्ट वाली लाइन बोलोगे ना आप जब उसे सुन रहे हो और साथ में बोल रहे हो तो आपका टोन ऑटोमेटिकली करेक्ट हो जाएगा आप करेक्ट पिच पे आ जाओगे सो जस्ट दिस टाइम आई एम गोना से एशियन पेंट्स रॉयल ग्लिट्स एंड देन आई विल कंटिन्यू विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइन
Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
And that was a decent take. But still, it felt like the Asian Paints part was a little upbeat, is it? Let me hear it.
Asian Paints Royale Glitz.
Yeah, there is some emphasis, right?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz.
It's something like that. So let's do it again.
रुक क्यों गए, guys?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up your decor.
Yeah. And I'm going to do a bit more serious. Enough time pass.
रुक क्यों गए, guys?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up your decor.
Yeah, that's more like it. I like that take. But I'll do one more for safety.
Come on, guys. रुक क्यों गए, guys?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
Glitz up your decor.
Do you think there's a difference between when I say it and when AI says it? I think there is. I think there is. और इस पे मैं अलग वीडियो बनाऊंगा. Comment if you want me to make that AI video. Okay, because AI is taking our job. Unfortunately, हमारी ही नौकरी थी जो सबसे पहले AI को लेके जानी थी. वॉइस ओवर में क्यों आया भाई? कहीं और रहो ना यार. Stop using AI, dude. You hire a real person. We are not that expensive. And we do the job faster. You don't have to put in prompts. You just have to tell me once again. कि AI, go for another take. देखो ये बैठे-बैठे 5 take कर दिए हमने. So AI, screw you. We'll keep on doing our work. So now I'm going to quickly edit this and send it across. Okay. I'll do a quick edit and I'll show you a couple of cool things. Okay. तो सिर्फ अच्छा टेक रिकॉर्ड करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है भाई उसे ढंग से प्रेजेंट करना भी अच्छा है ताकि इंजीनियर को भी आराम हो हाँ बाकी सब लोग भी थोड़ा मज़े ले सकें उन्हें बैठ के क्लीन अप ना करना पड़े पीछे कौवे की आवाज़ ना उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे अगर आप जानना चाहते हो तो अभी मैं बैठा हूँ एक डब्बे के अंदर दिस इज अ साउंड प्रूफ बॉक्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन द प्रो ईयर्स इफ़ यू आर एनीथिंग क्लोज टू प्रो यू नो कि the frequencies around 400 hertz or something are kind of amplified here. Like the low frequencies, there'll be some boxiness associated. But here I don't have to worry about that because it's going to a good sound engineer, so they're going to handle this part. Mix is not my concern. My concern is doing my take and sending it across in the best possible quality, and rest is up to these guys, what they select, what they put. It's up to the production and the directors and the agencies.
Paints Royale Glitz. Asian Paints. Asian. Okay, something like that. Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504-80504.
So you see these tiny little thingies, okay? This little, Actually, you can remove this also, but I wouldn't do that. But I'll remove this certainly because it's just a faint click, okay? And if you remove these tiny little clicks and pops will get sorted to an extent. So here also, if you see this part, okay, decor. नहीं, उसमें वो decor का वो part है, तो उसको नहीं हटाएंगे.
Asian Paints Royale Glitz.
Okay.
To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504.
So this take number 1. Just a minute. Sorry for the break. So that's one take done, and now we'll go to the rest quickly.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
A few moments later.
So if they want to use this take, instead of the engineer trying to match the first part and the latter part, he can just use this entire take, and he's good to go, right? Bounce these takes, and we're good to go. And I'm gonna just quickly mail this. अब कुछ पार्ट छुपा नहीं पड़ते हैं दोस्तों, सब चीज़ें नहीं दिखा सकता मैं. एक और बड़ी समस्या ये है कि आज अगर मैंने एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया ना, तो वो आपको दिखेगा बहुत टाइम बाद, जब उसका टाइम होगा. And that's the job done. And actually, I've already charged for the first part, okay, जो इसमें MVO part था और जो दूसरा part था, the character voice thing. So I've already done those parts, and this part has come separately. Now, a lot of people in the voiceover industry will be like, you should charge them 50% for this additional part. I feel like if I've charged them, I'll treat it as a lump sum. I'll take care of the... And it's not like I've been underpaid, okay? I've been paid very well for this job. तो अगर ये छोटी मोटी लाइन आ जाती है ना यार, मैं इसको देखता हूँ एज अ रेगुलर बिजनेस कस्टमर सर्विस, ठीक है? एक छोटी मोटी चीज़ आ जाती है, वो इतना समय करके उनको दे देता हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है, ये भी ले लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले ऐसा होता था कि एक तो पहली बात ये थी कि आपको हर वक्त बाहर जाना पड़ता था, ठीक है? यूड हैव टू ड्राइव टू द स्टूडियो, स्पेंड योर टाइम गोइंग आउट, कमिंग बैक. सो इट वाज अ स्टैंडर्ड अफेयर दैट यू चार्ज 50% ऑफ योर मास्टर फी फॉर एनी स्मॉल लिटिल चेंज लाइक दिस. अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा और अगर आपने पूरा देखा, भैया लाइक करके जाओ, ऐसे मत जाओ, फ्री में मत जाओ. घंटा नहीं दबाओगे, नहीं दिखेगा वीडियो, ना तुम्हें दिखेगा ना और किसी को दिखेगा. तो अब तो थोड़े बहुत वॉइस ओवर वाले लोग हैं यार जो इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो यू कैन आस्क मी स्टफ यार, like mics, preamps, DAW, plugins, noise reduction. There's so much stuff to learn and know about, right? I have not received a lot of help, but you know, I have a habit of just going and checking everything. मैं हर स्टूडियो जाता हूँ, वहाँ पे देखता हूँ क्या क्या गियर लगा है, SSL चैनल स्ट्रिप लगी है, कहीं पे कुछ लगा है, कहीं पे कुछ लगा है, तो मैं वो सब कुछ देखता रहता हूँ, because it's just interesting to me. फ्री में सीखना तो बस इतना तो करने बोल रहा हूँ. लाइक कर दो, कमेंट कर दो, शेयर कर दो, हाँ, और घंटा दबा दो.
Hi, come on. रुक क्यों गए guys?
Asian Paints Royale Glitz. To glitz up your decor, give a missed call to 80504 80504.
Glitz up your decor. It's worth it.